This is the kill zone. Oh, there's a float gone. Look.
Which one?
The left one.
On?
Oh, it's come off. Well, as you can see, we're doing something completely different this week. We've decided to come out trolling on the Fens for pike. We've been dying to get the boat out for ages, haven't we, Adam?
Oh, yes.
It's finally thawed out, so we're going to have a go. See what happens, eh? I'll set the net up, Adam.
Yeah. Well, there we go.
We're drifting like mad.
Yeah, because the anchor's come off. And you've caught a pike that's only just bigger than your live bait.
Yeah. It was nice enough, though.
Yeah.
Well, that's a start, isn't it?
It's
At least we had a take.
Yeah. So there are pike in here.
Right, let's put it back. Only a jack. See you later, mate. That was a bit of excitement, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A bridge dweller.
A bridge.
Famous last words of not even a bridge dweller. And a couple of thumps, and there's one on there.
Look at that. We really are in the middle of nowhere.
We're in the middle of nowhere. Not quite, because we know where we are.
Well, yeah.
So we're not in the middle of nowhere.
No.
I know exactly where I am.
In the middle of somewhere.
In the middle of somewhere. We're in the middle of a remote area at Fenland Drain. Not that it's done us any good.
No.
It's not caught anything.
It's very remote.
There's loads of stuff here, Adam.
Is there?
Can't see because of the bloody screen.
You're coming in quite close.
There's all sorts of stuff here. Fish on the bottom and all sorts. But big stuff as well.
Yeah.
It's 10 foot again here. Should we just pull along these reeds? Just gone over loads of whatever.
Bait fish, maybe. Silvers.
What's that set at now? 9 foot.
What's that?
Yeah, there's shapes all over the place. Nothing's snapping though, but it doesn't get no warning, do you? Which one was that? Oh, that's a bite, isn't it? Oh yeah.
In again?
Yeah. Oh, it's come off.
Oh, God.
Can't believe that's took it right off the boat. Oh no! It's the curse of the big bait. Barry's not working his magic today. It's probably got it again, I think. It's going, isn't it? I mean, bear in mind that pike, that Barry's dead.
Yeah.
Leave it, let it eat it. It's got it again. It's got it again, Adam.
Now strike? I can't even see the float anymore.
Oh, it's out in the drain. Oh yeah. Oh no!
Really?
Do you want me to catch it?
Yeah, if you wouldn't mind.
I mean, what are we thinking? We fell for the big baits, big pike theory. Look,
Yeah.
I've never seen something pike in one area.
Keep an eye on that.
That's your mate?
I think so.
I can't leave any longer, can I? Look at that. Oh, I think that's taken it, innit?
Yeah. Barry.
It's lightly hooked, Adam. Oh!
What?
Oh no, Barry.
Get him back out there now.
Barry, what are you doing to us, son? It's that big bait, innit? Is that the same one?
It's got to be.
I don't think we can make it to that bridge without getting another take.
I've got to catch one. I can't go home until I've caught a pike. End of story.
It's got a take, innit?
Yeah. In?
Well, for now. One hooklet.
Yeah.
Barely hooked. Just nicked him in the scissors there, Adam. Look.
Oh, yes. That is very lightly hooked, isn't it?
Probably why we keep missing him.
Another little one, but a take all the same, isn't it?
We'll take it anyway, won't we?
Yeah.
Alright. See you later, you little masher. Let me film you.
It's like a ocean going. I'm not seasick yet.
Are you alright, Adam?
Yeah. It's a bit choppy.
I think it's only about 3 miles, we're back to the van.
Is that it?
Yeah.
My back's a little bit wet.
You are at the brunt of the action there, aren't you?
Yeah.
A note to self, I think anything over 20 mile an hour is not boat weather on the Fens.
No. This is, we're probably going to have to row back.
It's pretty rough, Adam.
Yeah, you could say that.
Back home soon though. Get the fire on.
Have a nice cup of tea.
Oh, nice cup of tea.
Nice cup of tea in front of the fire.
Nice cup of tea. Oh, we're going to Lally here.
Oh.
You can't fish like this.
No.
Oh my goodness me. At least it's not snowing or raining. Big wave.
Here it comes.
Like that French guy off that Fox Rage video they did.
Yeah.
Big wave! Watch out, the big wave! Monsieur, big wave! Hold on! Well, we're nearly back at the van. I think the sun's not that far off setting, Adam, is it?
Don't think so, no.
Absolutely
Don't actually know what the time is.
Just landed another one. That's the third one of them there. Have a quick look at him. Be the same size today, aren't they?
Yeah. Jack Central.
That's probably the smallest one of the day, isn't it?
I reckon it might be, yeah.
Little snaffler.
Still,
My little perch would have been towing along in the wind.
it's turned out to be a productive
We've had
day,
a lot of
hasn't it?
action today. Missed a lot of takes. It's been frozen up. About a week ago, everything was frozen solid. I think the fish are really cold. Missed a lot of takes trolling live baits. Definitely try again when it warms up a bit. Been in condition though, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Right, it's got leeches on him, that. He's been laying on the bottom.